What's cracking, guys? It's Kaushik over here, and today we are gonna do the pull challenge with Gene. So I got Gene, and I really like him, guys. He can just obliterate brawlers who come near him. So today I'm with my friend Mr. Nemesis, and he's gonna help us push Gene. I already pushed him to 300, and today we're gonna push him even more. So guys, Gene is a mythic brawler and his starting base damage is 1000, which I really like because he can just kill a brawl box kill a box in six hits, and he reloads really fast. Well, he actually reloads slow, but it seems fast for his attack. And his attack, it splits off it if it doesn't hit anyone. And the main thing about him is the pull. He pulls like no one's business. And he's really good for area control, guys. He can stop many brawlers from healing up by doing little chip damage. Okay guys, so Mr. Nemesis just died. I am here charging my super to show you guys. The chip damage itself does a lot of damage, guys. As you can see, my super is charging really quickly. Okay, my super is charged, guys. Now we just wait for the correct moment. Okay, so pull. Oh no, guys. Such a bad pull. I did not even pull anything. Oh no. Guys, we might lose this match. If we kill this, we get a lot of power cubes. I think we can kill this, guys. Okay, guys, spin to win. I like Gene's emote, guys. It's really nice. Okay, Mega Paladin Surge. Okay. Nemesis with top tier place. I am bush camping over here. Okay, kill, pull. Oh no, why did I pull that? Never auto aim, guys, never auto aim. Guys, no. Oh, guys. Did we get second place? Oh, we got second place, guys. Guys, that was really bad pulls by my side. Now I'm gonna aim my pulls. Guys, Nemesis thanking me. So guys, you can even write in the comments what other games you want us to play. We are open for recommendations. We are even trying to do videos on Roblox. We will start in some days. So let's see, guys. Oh no, we are starting with a lag. Okay, I think Nemesis can take care of that box. I will go to start charging my super. Oh no, double M's. Okay, hit. No one's hit. Okay guys, area control. Guys, I hit someone. Okay, there's a peep. That was a bad play, guys. Okay, so Gene killed a Nani. Dude, I need to charge my super up. Okay, chip damage rules. Happy emote, spin to win. Guys, I think we should start bush camping. That Ems has a super. Oh, she went. Chip. Oh, guys! Kill, kill, kill! Guys, we killed her. Guys, can we win this? Chip, 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 chip until you chip. Okay, Jean, can you do it? Nani? Okay. Guys, that was so well played by Nemesis over there. Wow, guys, Nemesis carried us. Even though we did not pull, Nemesis carried us with the Nani. Guys, Nani is just OP. I can't wait to get her, guys. Really well played. Let's do a happy emote. Okay, he's typing something. Okay, so guys, Nemesis is also going to start recording. We will wait for him and we'll see if Nani is better or Jean. So okay guys, now this will be our last match. We will show some top tier pulls. We will try to show some top tier pulls. We have our pro playing Nani. Guys, Nemesis has 200 trophies more than me and I am desperately trying to go forward than him. But he plays really nice, guys, as you can see. So guys, I got Jean in the 13k brawl box. Okay, Nani. Okay, now I'm gonna chip damage. Chip damage all day, every day. Dude, that surge. Oh, no. Guys, Nemesis is carrying us here. Guys, we have only charged a little bit of our super. Okay guys, we have charged our super. Now I don't know who we are going to pull. Happy emote. We will try to pull that damn Tara. Pull. No guys, I'm such a bad puller. Guys, I'm such a bad player, guys. I'm such a noob. Have you ever seen a bigger noob than this? In a video about making a push-up pull, we are literally dying every time and Nemesis is carrying us. That is why Nemesis won the tournament, guys. So Nemesis, I am making a video on Jean. Let's write it to him. So okay guys, we will see. Guys, I won't stop until we get at least one top tier pull, guys. At least one top tier pull. Guys, so some of you ask me in my Gmail, why do I always play duos? Because guys, duos are really fast games and they give a lot of trophies as in the ratio of time and play, guys. So you can push a lot of trophies in duos, guys, and if you bush camp also, you will at least get 7 trophies if you get in second place, and it will never change. For example, if you keep on playing trios, so guys, if you keep on playing trios, what happens is the more you lose, the more the more you gain, the more less the trophies become. So if you have seen big players like Ray and all, if you play one, you lose If you win one, you get 6 trophies, and if you lose one, so if you play one, you will get more 6 trophies, and if you lose one, you lose 12 to 16 trophies, guys. So in duos, it's not like that. If you lose, you might lose a lot, but there are a lot of chances for you to win, guys. So you will always get 7 to 10 trophies instead of 6 and 5. So the rewards will stay the same. While in trios, what happens is the rewards decrease, and the losing negative trophies increase, guys. Okay, so Piper hit dice. We killed him. Okay, guys, should have pulled the Piper. Should have killed the Piper. Okay, guys, stay near. Oh no, the Nani came. Guys, was that a suicide? Guys, at least one Nani play, guys. At least one Nani play we saw. But we need a Jean play. Guys, you might say that I will get a lot of good Jean plays in trios. But guys, the thing about trios is that if we lose a lot of trophies, guys. I need at least one in solo or duo, guys. Guys, you see, I hit them from such a long place. Okay. Jean pull. Guys, have you ever experienced one time? Okay, we pulled. Guys, if Nemesis was with us, we could have finished it. Guys, you check out our Mortis video. It's really cool, and we did a real good plays in that Mortis video, guys. 1 2 3. Okay, chip hit charge super. No. Okay, charge, supercharged. Our super is charged. Now we need to. Oh no, Nemesis, why did you do that? Where are you going? Guys, we could have killed that Nita. So guys, that's it for today's video. We saw 2 pulls which were really nice and we could have killed, but we will do it afterwards. So that's it for all, guys. How are you all, and bye.